Hi kids, today we are learn animals counting. Let's start. 1. O-N-E 1. One horse. 2. T-W-O 2. Two cow. 1, 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 fox. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elephants. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tigers. 6. S-I-X 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 monkeys. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 gorilla. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pigs.
'Which helps keep them squeaky clean.
9. N-I-N-E 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cats. 10. T-E-N 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rabbits.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.